Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, students, in a previous video, we already have discussed the very first point of causes of loss of biodiversity. We already discussed about deforestation. Now, the second causes of loss of biodiversity is illegal hunting. So, like tigers, elephants, leopards, and many other animals are under threat because they are hunted for their skin. Hunting of animals is illegal, and the illegal hunting of animals for commercial use is called poaching. So, this is also a main reason of loss of biodiversity. Now, the third one is pollution. Pollution is also causes of loss of biodiversity. How? Pollution of soil, air, and water affects many plants and animals. And pesticides and other harmful chemicals accumulating in water bodies like lakes and ponds, and it kill fishes and other aquatic animals. So it is also harmful for biodiversity. It is harmful for aquatic animals. It is harmful for plants and animals both. Now the fourth one causes of loss of biodiversity is natural disasters. So natural disasters such as earthquakes, flood, cyclones, tsunami have also contributed in the reduction of plants and animal species in many areas. So this is also a main causes of loss of biodiversity. Now here, before discussing the various methods to conserve biodiversity, here I am going to explain the different species. So here firstly I am going to explain extinct species. Okay, so extinct species means the species of plants and animals which are not found but once lived on the earth are called extinct species. Means now in the present time these species are not found on the earth, but these species were present on the earth millions of years ago. So for example, dinosaurs. So dinosaurs, a huge dinosaurs lives on the earth millions of years ago. Scientists believe that earth cooled suddenly and the dinosaurs could not adjust to the sudden changes in the climate, so all of them died and now have become extinct. And there are some other theories also regarding the extinction of animals. The dodo bird became extinct mainly due to its hunting for food. So extinct species means species which are not found now but once lived on the earth. Now the second species is endangered species. So endangered species means that species that are at a high risk of getting extinct in future due to decline in their number and drastic changes in habitat are called endangered species. For example, pink pigeon, Bengal tiger, blue whale, king cobra, African elephant, Ganga river dolphin, etc. are endangered species. So species that are at a high risk to getting extinct is known as endangered species. Now the third one species is endemic species. So what do you mean by endemic species? So endemic species, those species which are found in a particular area. All right. So species of plants and species of animals